Hi, my name is Ashley, and today I'm going to be sharing a delicious dessert recipe that's heavy on flavor and light on calories. To make this recipe, you'll need to stir together 1 cup of non-fat vanilla yogurt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until the sugar completely dissolves. You're going to refrigerate the sauce for at least 2 hours, and then you're going to gently rub 5 cups of strawberries under cool water. Slice the strawberries and divide them into 4 dessert glasses. Finally, you're going to spoon the cinnamon flavored sauce over the strawberries. You can also top this with non-fat whipped topping if you would like. All right, here's our delicious strawberries with cinnamon sauce. I hope you and your family enjoy it.
Eat, Move, Save.